For brands and studios, the demand for content has exploded. More channels, more formats, and tighter timelines. Generative AI should be the solution, yet most teams face a maze of disconnected tools and brand consistency and safety risks that slow creation instead of accelerating it. Invisible Studio is your one-stop shop for brand-safe and scalable short-form AI content creation, built by creatives for creatives. With Invisible Studio, you can reduce the time it takes to create marketing and entertainment videos by leveraging best-in-class AI tools, all within one platform. Best of all, Invisible Studio is powered by your own personalized brand engine, which understands how your brands look, sound, and act. Brand safety lies at the foundation of Invisible Studio. Your data stays private, your models stay closed, and every asset stays on brand and IP secure. You move faster, you produce more, and you never compromise your brand. Invisible Studio. What will you make?